In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop gift card in Costco. We'll walk through the Costco website together, explore the different gift card and ticket categories, and finish by adding a card to your cart and heading to checkout. Follow along and I'll point out a few helpful tips as we go. Start by heading to the Costco wholesale website. When the homepage loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. Look to the left-hand side for the shop section. Click that to open the full shopping menu. From there, scroll down until you see the gift cards and tickets option and click it to enter the dedicated section. Inside gift cards and tickets, you'll see a variety of categories designed to make browsing easy. There are Costco shop cards if you want a card that can be used at Costco. You'll also find restaurant gift cards for popular dining spots, gaming gift cards for consoles and online platforms, and entertainment and lifestyle gift cards for experiences and services. Below that, there are movie tickets, sports tickets, and theme parks and attractions for big days out, plus health and wellness gift cards covering things like spas and fitness. Take a moment to scan the category tiles. Many listings are value packs and may be discounted from face value, which is one of the best reasons to shop gift cards here. Let's walk through an example using restaurant gift cards. Click into that category to view the available options. Choose a specific restaurant card that suits your needs and click it to open the product page. Here, you'll find all the essential details: the total value, how many cards are included, whether it's a physical card or an e-gift, any location or redemption notes, and estimated delivery timing. Scroll further to review the full terms and conditions. This is where you'll confirm things like exclusions, participating locations, any usage limits, and how the card is redeemed. It's worth reading carefully so there are no surprises at checkout. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. A confirmation will appear showing the item in your cart. From there, choose Continue to Shipping. You'll confirm the delivery method and provide the appropriate delivery details: email delivery for e-gift cards or a shipping address for physical cards. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to payment to complete your purchase. Before you wrap up, double check the quantity, the card format, and the terms on the product page. If it's an e-gift, keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam folder, and save your order confirmation. And that's it. Shopping gift cards at Costco is quick, organized, and often a great value.